I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade for a lemonade stand. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and clean water. You'll also need some basic tools like a sturdy pitcher, a reliable lemon juicer, and a long stirring spoon. Make sure all your equipment is sparkling clean before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and hygienic process for your delicious lemonade. Next, let's get that fresh lemon juice. You'll want to juice about 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons, aiming for roughly 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. For the sweetness, we'll create a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water in a separate bowl. Stir this mixture thoroughly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved, creating a clear, sweet syrup. Now it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour your fresh lemon juice and the simple syrup into your large pitcher. Then, add 4 cups of cold, filtered water to the mixture. Give everything a really good stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined. Take a small taste and adjust the sweetness if necessary, adding a little more syrup or water to achieve your perfect balance. Finally, for the best taste, chill your lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When serving, add plenty of ice to each glass and a fresh lemon slice for a professional and refreshing presentation. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.